All right, initial report says this vehicle survived the winter.
That was optimistic.
Ah. Oh no. What happened here?
Winter happened.
Winter left a mark.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna leave the under the car part to the experts. Winter might be over, but that doesn't mean your car came through it untouched. Between road salts, potholes, and cold starts, a lot of wear shows up after the season ends. So today we're looking at what winter actually affects and what's worth checking now that spring is here. I'm here with Matt to walk us through it.
One thing people don't really realize is that damage that gets done to a vehicle during the winter doesn't always show up right away. After you get through a winter season with your vehicle, sometimes things just don't feel the same. Sometimes the way the steering feels, the way the suspension rides, sometimes even where the brakes sound can be quite a bit different once you get through a winter season. A lot of that reasoning is because you have a lot of road salt, you have a lot of rougher roads from the damage that winter does to the road surface, and that can all transpire into something going on with the vehicle. So a lot of times this shows up when the weather gets a lot nicer out. Your vehicle has survived the winter, but not without some bumps and bruises. There are a ton of systems that take a beating during the winter. One of the biggest ones is your suspension. With the size of the potholes in Berks County and the surrounding areas, suspension is always one of the things that we check very carefully after a winter season of driving. Also, the alignment. Your alignment gets affected when striking a pothole due to the fact that it can throw off alignment angles. It can affect suspension in a way that it can change those angles and create a situation that would wear the tires out prematurely or a lot quicker than they should. Brakes also take a lot of stress in winter. More stopping in traffic, the moisture, that can build up corrosion around components. You add in that moisture with salt and debris on the roads during the winter, you can really get a lot more corrosion a lot faster. The battery is also an item that takes a beating during the winter season. The life of the battery can be shortened by extremely cold weather, and even if your vehicle made it through the winter with that battery, it can be a lot weaker moving on into the coming months, especially when it really starts to get warmer in the summer. And finally, fluids. Temperature changes can have a great effect, or a very large effect, on your fluid levels and your fluid quality and consistency. None of these are unusual. They're just part of what winter does to vehicles.
All right, let's review the evidence.
Control arm.
Seen worse, but not great. That explains the ride quality. What happened in there?
Winter.
Wow, winter certainly left a mark.
April is actually a great time to take a closer look at your vehicle. Winter driving is behind you, but summertime driving, that's right ahead of you. It's coming right around the corner. A lot of drivers in Berks County do a lot more driving in the spring and summer months. Weekend trips, errands, vacations, commuting to work. So catching small issues now can help prevent larger issues in the near future. Most of the time, we're not talking about major repairs. We're talking about small items, small things. Alignment adjustments, brake wear, battery testing, and worn suspension components. Those are much easier to deal with earlier than later. When somebody brings their car in after winter, the goal is not to find things. The goal is to understand the condition of the vehicle. We'll look at things like suspension components, brake wear, tire wear and alignment, battery performance, fluid levels, and conditions. That inspection helps answer the typical question we get when people are searching for auto repair near me. Is my car actually in good shape, in good condition? Diagnostics and inspections give people the information that they need. It takes out the guesswork so that we are doing things that need to be done, not just guessing. One thing that we hear from a lot of our customers in the Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing area, it's not how hard it is to get the repairs done, it's really the scheduling. That's why all Myles locations offer complimentary pickup and drop-off of vehicles for servicing. Our Wyomissing location is a valet-only location. There is actually no garage on site. The whole design behind the Wyomissing location is to make your life easier By giving you an area where you can drop off your vehicle easier, we can get the vehicle taken care of and serviced for you, delivered back to our Ohio Missing location for pickup, whether that be during the day or after hours. We do this all to make your life easier, make your service go through nice and smooth, and also get your winter blues shaken off on those vehicles.
If your car made it through winter, that's great, but it's still smart to check what the season may have left behind. Suspension, brakes, alignment, and even your battery can take a hit. If you're in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Wyomissing, or in surrounding areas, we're here to help you take a quick look and make sure everything's ready for spring and summer driving. Next week, we're talking potholes and what that one you hit may have actually affected. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.